What's the deal with matcha? You've probably seen it everywhere lately, from your favorite coffee shop to your Instagram feed, and maybe even in your skincare products. But what makes this vibrant green powder so special? And why is everyone suddenly obsessed with it? That vibrant green powder is everywhere. Lattes, desserts, even skincare. It's become a symbol of wellness and a must-have for anyone looking to add a little color and health boost to their day. It's not just a trend, it's a green revolution. So, what is matcha really? Why is it suddenly the star of so many menus and morning routines? Matcha is a special kind of green tea, but it's not your average brew. Instead of steeping and tossing the leaves like you do with regular tea, you actually consume the whole leaf, which has been carefully ground into a fine, silky powder. This means you're getting the full power of the tea leaf in every sip. That means you get all the nutrients, antioxidants, and flavor packed into every sip. It's like drinking a supercharged version of green tea, with more benefits and a richer taste. Unlike regular green tea, matcha is richer, creamier, and has a unique umami taste that's both earthy and slightly sweet. The texture is velvety, and the flavor is bold, making it a favorite for both traditional tea lovers and adventurous foodies. The color? That electric green signals high quality and tons of chlorophyll, which is a sign of freshness and careful cultivation. The brighter the green, the better the matcha. Only the best, youngest leaves make the cut, and the result is a drink as beautiful as it is beneficial. It's a true labor of love, from farm to cup. Next time you see that bright green hue, know you're looking at something special. An ancient tradition with a modern twist, packed with flavor and health benefits. Matcha isn't just a drink, it's an experience, a ritual that brings people together and invites you to slow down and savor the moment. Let's dive into how it's made, the care that goes into every step, and why it's so good for you. There's a whole world behind that cup of green. Ready to get your green on? Let's explore the magic of matcha together. Making matcha is an art perfected in Japan. Weeks before harvest, tea plants are shaded to boost chlorophyll and L-theanine, giving matcha its color and calm energy. Only the youngest, most tender leaves are handpicked. They're quickly steamed to lock in nutrients and color. Stems and veins are removed, leaving only the softest leaf, called tencha. Tencha is stone ground into a fine, vibrant powder. This slow, careful process preserves flavor and aroma. Every step from shading to grinding is about quality and tradition. That's why matcha stands out from other teas. When you sip matcha, you're tasting centuries of craftsmanship. It's more than a drink, it's a labor of love. Matcha isn't just tasty, it's a vibrant green tea that's been celebrated for centuries in Japanese culture. And now it's winning hearts all over the world. This superfood is a true powerhouse for both your body and mind, offering a unique blend of nutrients you won't find in regular teas. Matcha delivers a calm, focused energy thanks to its special combination of caffeine and L-theanine, an amino acid that helps you stay alert without feeling wired. That means no jitters, no sudden crash, just a steady, gentle boost that keeps you going through your day. L-theanine also encourages brainwaves linked to relaxed concentration, helping you feel more positive, focused, and even improving your mood. Matcha is loaded with antioxidants, especially EGCG, a powerful compound that helps fight cell damage and supports your immune system. Gram for gram, matcha outshines other superfoods in antioxidant power, making it a top choice for anyone looking to boost their health naturally. Plus, because you consume the whole leaf, you get more fiber, vitamins, and minerals, like vitamin C, selenium, and zinc, than you would from steeped green tea. Some studies even suggest that matcha can help boost your metabolism, support fat burning, and aid in detoxifying your body from everyday toxins. It's truly a wellness drink, supporting your brain, metabolism, and overall health, whether you're starting your morning or taking a mindful break. With just one cup, you unlock a world of benefits for your mind and body. That's why matcha has become a daily ritual for so many people seeking balance, energy, and a little moment of calm in their busy lives. Why is matcha suddenly everywhere? Wellness is in, and matcha fits the bill. It's a healthier, mindful alternative to coffee. Energy without the crash. Social media loves matcha's stunning green color, making it an Instagram favorite. Its versatility is unmatched. Lattes, desserts, noodles, even beauty products. Chefs and home cooks use it in everything from cookies to ice cream. Skincare brands add matcha for its antioxidant and anti-inflammatory benefits. It's more than a drink. It's a lifestyle and a symbol of self-care. Matcha's appeal is visual, culinary, and holistic. That's why it's not just a trend, but a cultural phenomenon. Matcha is here to stay. Want to try matcha? This vibrant green tea powder is not just a trend. It's a delicious way to boost your day and add a pop of color to your routine. Start with a classic latte. Simply whisk matcha with hot water until it's frothy and smooth. Then add your favorite milk, whether it's dairy or plant-based, and sweeten to taste with honey, agave, or sugar if you like a little extra flavor. Matcha is also fantastic in smoothies. Just blend it with fruits like banana or mango for a nutritious, energizing boost that's perfect for breakfast or a midday snack. On hot days, try iced matcha for a cool, refreshing twist that's both hydrating and invigorating. Get creative in the kitchen. Bake matcha into cookies for a unique treat. Whip up fluffy matcha pancakes for brunch, or even use it to make a vibrant green frosting for cakes and cupcakes. Matcha pairs perfectly with white chocolate, creating a sweet and earthy flavor combo that's hard to resist. Plus, it adds a beautiful green color to any dessert or treat, making your creations stand out. Remember, a little matcha goes a long way. Just a small scoop is enough for most recipes, so don't worry about overdoing it. Start small and adjust to your taste. Keep in mind, matcha does contain caffeine, giving you a gentle energy lift without the jitters of coffee, so it's best enjoyed earlier in the day, especially if you're sensitive to caffeine or want to avoid sleepless nights. High-quality matcha can be a bit pricey, but investing in a good brand means richer flavor, brighter color, and more health benefits. The flavor and benefits are absolutely worth it. Matcha is delicious, versatile, and packed with antioxidants that are good for you. Make matcha your new wellness ritual. Sip, savor, and enjoy a mindful moment every day. For more trend deep dives and creative ideas, don't forget to subscribe to Entrepreneurial Edge.